Seat 1200 Sport 1975-79. The Seat 1200 Sport is a two-door, four-seater coupe developed by the Spanish carmaker Seat. First presented in December 1975, and sold commercially from February 1976 to September 1979, it was the first car developed entirely in the company's newly opened Martorell Technical Center. Its initial version was powered by the bigger 1197cc engine of 67 PS, 49 kilowatts, developed for the Seat 124, transversely mounted and canted forward by 16 degrees, giving the Little 2+2 a top speed of 157 km per hour, 98 miles per hour, via its 4-speed gearbox transmission. Despite its sporting aspirations, its power output was limited by a relatively low compression ratio, reflecting the fuel octane levels available in its home market. The 1200 Sport's sharp-edge body design had a drag coefficient, CD, of 0.37. It was purchased from NSU of Germany, after the German firm abandoned its plans to launch its own small car based on the NSU Prinz rear-engined NSU Nurgil, presented as a prototype in the 1970 Turin Motor Show and designed by Italian designer Aldo Cesano. Antoni Amat, technical director of Inducar, Indústrias della Carrozzeria, an external provider for Seat, proposed the 1200 Sport project to Seat, with the mediation of Industrie, after the former's visit and contacts at the Turin Motor Show. The Terrassa-based Inducar company undertook the production of the car's chassis. To fit the platform seat planned for the car, the Nurgil design was modified to include elements of another of Cesano's concept cars, the Otis KL112, as it was based on the Fiat 127. A characteristic of the original NSU Nurgil design that remained in the production model was the air vents in the third pillar, just above the rear wheel arch, likely indicating the presence of the rear-mounted engine in NSU's design. Seat's engineers examined the possibility of keeping the rear engine layout, but ultimately chose a front engine. The car's boot featured remote opening through a handle on the driver's door, and had a fuel capacity of 339 liters. In 1977, the Seat 1430 Sport Coupe was introduced, using the same body, but with a retuned version of the engine from the Seat 1430. In this application, the 1,438cc engine provided a power output of 77 PS, 57 kilowatts, and a top speed of 164 km per hour, 102 miles per hour. The sport versions were offered mainly in the Spanish market, but also some cars were officially offered in other European countries such as Germany, Holland, Belgium, and France. Both models, 1200 and 1430, were discontinued in 1979, along with the Seat 128, Seat 133, and CKD built Lancia Beta and Beta HPE, as part of the important restructuring of the Seat range for 1980. A total of 19,332 units was sold in the Spanish market, with 11,619 cars being equipped with the 1200 engine and some 7,713 units with the more powerful but late-launched 1430 motor. The car was widely known as the Boca Negra, Black Mouth in Spanish, because of the color and shape of its always black plastic front panel, which embraced the front grille and the headlights and incorporated, by 1970s standards, a prominent front bumper. In 2008, Seat presented the Seat Boca Negra concept car at the Geneva Motor Show. It received this name as a homage to the classic 1200 Sport, as it also had a black front end. It is sold as a special edition Avisa model from the second half of 2009, based on the Seat Avisa FR and Cupra versions.